Hi all, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and great. So yeah, I am here with a new video. So you all will be thinking, what is it about? Dance video? No. Then acting video? No. Yes, you are right. It is Q&A session part 1. So yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so there are some questions which you have asked me. So let's start. Okay, the first question is your birthday. Okay, my birthday is on 22nd of April. Your age? I am 14 years old. Okay, class you are studying. Okay, I'm in grade 9. Then where do you stay? Actually, I stay in Bahrain, but I am born in West Bengal, Kolkata. Okay. Favorite song? See, I don't have any favorite song. I don't hear song that much. I love all God songs. Yeah, I'm very I love hearing God songs. And but if you still tell me which is your favorite song, I will say from Radha Krishna serial, which is on Star Bharat. I love Tum Prem Ho. Tum Prema Ho, Tum Preeta Ho. I love that song. That's my favorite song. And otherwise, if you tell in movies, Hindi movies or Bengali, I don't I love for songs, but not that much. I don't have any specific favorite song like that. So yeah, like by choreographing any dance video, wherever I listen some song, and if I love it, no, I'll start choreographing. I'll see some video, and then I will do the dance on it. It's something like that. Yeah. Okay, your favorite actor and actress. Okay, there are many. There are many favorite actor and actresses, but yeah, I have to choose. Okay, so favorite actor. First, I'll say Siddharth Nigam. Then I'll go for Abhishek Nigam. Then I love Sumit. Sumit's obviously my Krishna. I love him a lot. Then there are many, there are many more. There are many more, but these three are most favorite. Actress, oh sorry, in actor I forgot to tell about Tiger Shroff. I love him a lot. He's very nice. Okay, then about actors there are many. First, I'll go for Malika Singh, our dearest Radha, and then I'll go for Avneet Kaur. I love Avneet Kaur as Yasmin or any other scenes you can tell. I love Ashnoor Kaur. I love Anushka Sen. Then there are many more. I love Katrina Kaif also. I said all of them. There are many more actually. There are many more, but these are some specific ones. Okay. Next comes favorite Mythro serial. See, I watch all mythological serials. I love mythological serials. But if you tell me some specific, I have to tell. But still, I love all of them. But if you tell like most favorite, I will go for Radha Krishna and Star Bharat. Then I'll go for Mahabharata from the Star Plus. These both are my most favorite, and there are many more like Vignahatta, C Ganesha, Siyake Ram, Ram Siyake Love Kush. These all are my favorite. And one more most favorite serial just got added. It is a new serial. It's actually a Bengali serial. Who all are Bengali will know, or if you watch serial, you definitely know. It started in Stal Jalsha, and the name is Sri Krishna Bhakt Meera. I love that it's being my favorite serial after Radha Krishna and Mahabharata. So yeah, and there are many more. I love mythological serials. That is the main thing which I watch in TV. Yes. Next. Okay. Next is your favorite color. Okay, my favorite color is pink and red, which I'm wearing right now. Okay, your favorite creative YouTuber. Creative YouTuber, what do you mean? Like, if you mean in drawing and art and craft, I'll go for Fanjana Academy. I see drawings and also try some of them. And then if you tell about anything else, creative YouTuber like any edits or making any VMs, I have many. Like I watch so many of them, but some of them I'll go for Nandini edits. I love their edits and also VMs that they make. Then I love Sumelika and Sydney Twice. Amazing. Amazing. The Sydney Twice which they make on Aladdin, it's a very nice. Then I love Nivsho's Mythological Zone. It's very good. It's very nice. Then Akshara, my Akshara Sakhi. It's very nice. You know the VM she makes on God. It's all on real stories. I love it. Then I love Anangha Creations AC. She is amazing. My God, edits if you see, it's very nice. This is the main creative YouTubers which I watch, but there are many more which I see. Okay, and taking all of them name will take the whole day. Okay, then is তুমি কোন স্কুলে পড়ো? Okay, it's a Bengali question. I'll translate it in English. It's that in which school do I read in? Okay, I read in Al Noor International School. As I said before, I stay in Bahrain. So this is a school in Bahrain itself. Okay. তুমি কোন ক্লাসে পড়ো? Okay, I have said it before. I am in grade 9. Our age. Okay, my age also I've said it's 14. Okay. নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চেন, তুমি কবে থেকে ইউটিউব খুললে আর কে তোমায় শুরু করতে বলেছিল? Okay, let me translate it in English. It is that when did you start YouTube and who said you to open YouTube? Okay, see, opening YouTube, I have never had any idea that I will open YouTube. Nobody has said me to open like that. But yeah, as YouTube says, I have joined in 12th December 2014. So the thing is that I have never thought that I will give videos in YouTube. But I used to do many performances in India, in Kolkata, West Bengal, in Durga Puja or any other pujas. So I have uploaded giving YouTube videos there. But right, I didn't know how to give the titles and all, but still I gave videos, and that time I was small. I was really small. So not me always, my mother also used to help and give. So that was my first video which I gave. I'll try to show if I get it, which was my first video. So like that, no, I started uploading my video. Then I came here in Bahrain. Before Bahrain, I used to stay in Muscat. So then I came in Bahrain, and then I did one dance, but I didn't think that I will post this in YouTube. It was very nice. So my mom and my dad said you can give in YouTube. So from that day onwards, I started using YouTube, and till now I'm active. Okay, so my first dance video was this one. I think you can see this one. This Sajani was my first dance, and after coming in Bahrain, my first dance was this one, Swala. And then I started uploading all the videos, and I started giving all the videos, and till now I am here giving my videos, and yeah, I'm happy. Okay guys, let's move on in next question. Okay, what is the next question? Okay, your favorite dancer. See, I have many favorite dancers, and I watch many YouTube videos in dances, but I mostly like Sadhvi Majumdar. She's amazing. I love her expressions. Do watch her video. I love it. And then I love Shweta Warrior, who is now the choreographer of Super Dancer Chapter 4. I love it. So you may see it. She is thus amazing. Then I love Shivanna Rawat. My God, she is so nice. Then I watch Team Nach. Superb. Then Tanvi Karekkar. Then Radha Karpa Dance Academy. Dance with Payal. There are many more, and all of are my favorite. All of are my favorites. And then if you go in actors and actresses, favorite dancers, in actor I'll say Siddharth Nigam. Wow. Then Tiger Shroff, Hrithik Roshan. Wow, they are seriously very, very, very nice. I love them a lot. Okay, next is your favorite gymnast. Okay, there are my two favorite gymnasts. One is Siddharth Nigam and one is Tiger Shroff. They both are very nice gymnasts. I love them a lot. Okay, guys, so maybe all the questions I have told. Yes, all the questions I have been covered. So, thank you a lot. I hope you will enjoy this Q&A session. So, this was part one. If you want to see more Q&A session, do comment down below. And yeah, I would want to say one more thing, that thank you a lot for 334 subscribers in YouTube. You can see, I don't know. Yeah, now you can see 334 subscribers in YouTube. Thank you a lot. It means a lot, and thanks for your support. Thank you a lot. And the recent video which I have uploaded and the highest view is Draupadi Vastaharan. It is 590 views. I have never thought about it. I love it a lot, and thank you for your support. Keep supporting.